I'm Ron Pitts, and you're about to see some of the most astounding moments of destruction ever caught on camera. This is Destroyed in Seconds.
They make a jet for selling. It's a chemical. Really?
In the town of Henderson, Nevada, a chemical fire has ignited at the rocket fuel manufacturing plant Pepcon.
Oh my God. I hope nobody's hurt.
With every second that passes, the fire grows.
Oh, somebody hurt in that, Russ.
What they don't know is that the inferno now threatens a storage area where 6 million pounds of the rocket fuel is held. If the chemicals exceed 716 degrees Fahrenheit, the entire area will combust. Then, the unforgettable.
Boy, that destroyed everything. My God.
As the explosion erupts, a powerful shockwave careens across the landscape, and a car traveling along an adjacent highway is caught in the blast. Multicolored smoke indicates that volatile chemicals continue to burn, leaving one to question, did the blast detonate all of the rocket fuel inside the plant?
Wow, they're loud.
The explosion is massive. Its shockwave completely decimates this building. The blast is so strong, it registers an earthquake measuring 3.5 on the Richter scale, 600 miles away.
You sure that's all they stored in that damn area?
2 people were killed in the massive explosions. What you are looking at is $100 million worth of destruction. These skeletal remains used to be a chemical manufacturing plant that produced rocket fuel for the space shuttle.